And hello, welcome back to CrystalDust Development. Today is March 10th, 2020, and, well, we're gonna be doing the same shit we were last week, more or less. I'm sorry. I didn't really work on stuff this week because I was busy doing a lot of other stuff, so we are still gonna be... Did I say March? I meant May. Hi. Yeah, but welcome, Master of Shepard's Shadow 1333 and Treviso TV. Today is, in fact, May 10th. You are correct. Not March. I think I said March. I think that was dumb. Anyway, we're going to be doing, you know, stuff. Yeah, you said March. Fuck. So we're going to be working on the Apricorn menu some more. Siri, do you celebrate Mother's Day today or later this week? Yeah, today is Mother's Day for me because, you know, United States and all. I'm unsure if in South America they have the same date as here. Oh, well, I don't follow, like, the South American day. I just kind of do it on the United States day. I don't know. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and run CrystalDust here. Congrats to your mom, then. Yes, I already called her and wished her. That was actually, like, the first thing I did when I woke up this morning. Okay. So I have... This is pretty much all the new stuff that I've done since last week is add this here box, which we need to actually make it be a thing. Yes. Okay, so add window if not present, window quantity. How about we actually let's call out to a different function in order to do this. Let's see. Oh, wait. Do I have this extension, the arm? Okay, it's disabled. There's a bug with the arm extension right now. So I disabled that because I don't really need it anymore. I don't really look at the arm code directly anymore for almost any reason. Okay, so Apricorn menu. Init quantity scroller, quantity box. Yeah, let's just say box. That's easier. Okay. Let's put that there. And we're gonna call this from here. Oh, we should probably be passing the task ID. Just a thought. Okay, task ID. So remove scroll indicator. Okay. So this is gonna add the scroll indicator for the regular box, but we want to add a new one for add. Let's first. Add main scroll indicator, and then we'll add quantity scroll indicator. They can share the same removal function because that's fine. Excuse me. Okay, so common position will be the X position. So it's almost at the edge of the screen. So let's say like 216 as just an initial guess. And then let's say the top of it is about halfway down the screen, so we'll say 160 is like 80-ish, and then 106 is probably going to stay the same. Then the oh shit, we should look at the item menu for this. Not item menu icons, god fuck. Okay. Item menu. There we go. Control K, enter. And then find add scroll indicator arrow pair Cell quantity. Here we are. Okay. So, fully down threshold is 104. Tile tag is 2. Pal tag is 110. No, wait. Fully down threshold is 2. Okay. And then current item pointer is this. Oh, welcome, J Salvation. You're definitely new here and haven't been featured heavily before. Did not get tagged by Streamcord. What? Streamcord just tagged all the Twitchers. Are you a Twitcher? Adjust quantity according to D-pad input. Oh, welcome, Tustin2121. I don't know what you just said the name of a function. I don't know what the context of this is. But anyway, let's. Weird. Is anybody else a Twitcher in the Discord and didn't get tagged? Because that's weird. It shows the tag there properly and everything. Weird. Okay, so context menu selected item. It always stays at 1. Okay, so I guess it'll never hit the fully up or fully down threshold in that way, I guess. Okay, that makes sense. Apricorn menu, fake item selection. Sorry, hi, I worked on Tryhard Emerald and borrowed some of your day-night code for it previously. Oh, yeah, okay, you work with Shanty on that, right, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I didn't realize that y'all's source code was going to be released so early. I didn't intend for the day-night system to get released as it was. So, that function is what I use for a spinner in my project. Gotcha. Okay, so let's see. The Apricorn menu. Let's add a new field here. Use 16. Fake ID for arrows. Something like that. I'll call it that. Tryhard Emerald TBP played that some time ago. Yeah. Yeah. And it has my day-night system in it. Which is really weird because like I said, I didn't expect that to happen so soon. Of course, not everybody is as slow as I am in fucking making goddamn bullshit, so it's not unexpected. Okay, so we'll say 2. Everything else should stay the same, and then we'll go ahead and add the quantity indicator into here. Nothing else. And then let's just run that, see what happens. Why the hell not? Warning, implicit declaration, conflicting types. Fuck. Yeah, I know, you're right. I just kind of slapped that on there without actually giving it forward declaration, which is just, it's just great. I really like doing things wrong. Sorry about that. No, you're good. I just didn't realize. But like, honestly, it's probably better for everybody to be standardized on one system rather than like everything being incompatible for like map editor's sake and everything. Fast forward volume. Okay, cool. The project was on a time crunch. I basically had no life for about 6 months to get it done. Yeah, see, I don't want to do that, which is why my projects have taken a decade. Okay, so do that and no. What? What? Oh, wait, no, we want to remove the old one, of course. Of course. So let's do that here. And then run that. Yeah, because it won't create the new one unless it removes the old one. But it didn't have one. Wait, what am I talking about? Oh, yeah. Okay, it did have them, they just weren't visible, which is the issue. Okay. We need to move this left maybe like 8 pixels. Something like that. So let's do 208. Boop, 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 boop. Oh, dude. Oh yeah, I moved my entire computer into a new case, which is a lot nicer than my old case. And it's like beeping at me for no reason. It's the PC speaker, but I don't know why it started to do that now when it never did that before. So if you hear like a random buzzing sound, that would be why. Okay, now it's too far to the left. Okay, great. I just fucking split the difference. 212, we're good. I edited the day-night system a bit to make the transitions more gradual. Feel free to steal it back if you want. Oh, did you now? I will be very interested in seeing what this source code looks like then. Day-night, more gradual day-night tinting. Okay, here we go. Just pop this up in the main thing here. Wow, this map definitely has something to do with that, doesn't it? Here we go. Okay, old time period. Oh, okay, I see what you did. You just did a lot of intermediate, like you split them up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So every 10 minutes has a different tint. Gotcha. That's definitely a way to do it. I might do something like that. I don't know. I think I like the system as I have it now, but we could change it. Oh, hey, could you update this credit for that, please? Whenever you can. Thank you. Okay, cool. Yeah, I might yoink that at some point. Cool. A friend made a day-night system based on geolocal time. Want to check it out? I mean, mine is also quote-unquote based on geolocal... What does that even mean? Based on geolocal time, like... Okay. A friend made a DNS system based on geolocal time. But, like, there's... Where is it? Source? What? Where? Where do? Means it uses geolocal time. Yeah, I know, but, like, that's, like, the normal thing to do. What else? Why would you ever use the regular RTC for that? Like, the chip time. That doesn't make any sense. Do you want me to credit DoMoreAwesome or your name? I would rather you credit Sierra Affinity. Just that's my username now. As can be seen here. Okay, DNS system with Windows lighting fix. Okay. I mean, you just want me to like look at your code. Didn't the binary one use RTC? If you're talking about Prime Dialga system, yes. If you're talking about my system, no. Because I am a smart cookie, and I made it use the fucking actual in-game clock, because why the fuck would you not do that? That's so stupid. Huh. Interesting. This is definitely a different way to do it. If you have any feedback about the DNS, please let me know. Well, this certainly has a lot more shit to it than I think I really need. Based on Andrea's DNS filtering system? Who's Andrea? Or Andrea? Who's that? But yeah, this is interesting. This is just a different way of doing it, I suppose. I like my system. I don't know. Okay, so we do need to add this to it. Andreas is an Italian binary hacker. He uses Ruby and made Pokemon Giratina's Legend. Okay. Because every time I think of Andrea, I think of Hackmew, if you guys know who that is. Because he's one of the quote-unquote old guard, you know. From way back when. He made XSE, he made a trainer, he made a bunch of other shit. We don't have wild mons at night, though. He's busy with school stuff, and I'm not good enough to code those. I mean, it's fairly simple. You just have to add, like, you just have to make the day-night Pokemon into or the wild Pokemon things into an array, and then index into that with the current time of day. And yep, I remember hacking. He saves our lives. Yeah, but his name was also Andrea, or Andrea, however the fuck you pronounce the Italian version of that. Before that, I didn't know that males could have that name. Okay, cool. It's a little bit lower than it should be, but you know, it's fine. So 80 should maybe be like, let's see, 80, 72, 60, wait, 66? That doesn't sound right. 64, duh. So it's either 64 or 72. Fucking knows. It's getting there. Yes, it is. Very, very slowly. Very much guess and check. Bam. Oh, that's too tall. Too high up. I don't know why I said too tall there. 72. This is just game development is just a lot of fucking. You think you did it right, and then you have to like do like a little tiny tweak and everything. It's fine. Okay. Dupe. Bam. Okay. Not okay, actually. This one is a little bit too low still, so let's actually take it and make it 68. Yes. Always a pain to set up properly. You're fucking telling me, man. Why is it still... Okay, well, let's pause that and then like advance it frame by... Okay, no, it's... Wait, why is it off by 2 pixels? Jesus Christ, that's so weird. Okay, well then I guess 70, which sure. I don't know. Okay, that works. So we do just take all that. Unique quantity box. And then of course we want to actually like print it somewhere else. Plop that there just to keep it handy. But yeah, we want to actually have. Okay, so where do we do that? No, that's way too far up. Fuck. Refresh list menu maybe does that possibly. No. Well, add window if not present is probably gonna do that. Yeah. Okay. No, it only does the frame. Huh. Fresh list menu. Okay, well, I guess I'll just track this back and see what it do. Print item sold amount does that. Okay. Okay. Let's paste that here. Just kind of yoink everything from different parts of the game. Print quantity. Why do I always write a quantity? T-I-T-Y, not I-T-T-Y. Okay, so num digits. Oh, hey, I'm getting a text. I'm getting a Reddit message? Who's messaging on Reddit? Oh, I see. Somebody's telling me about moderation-y things. Because I'm still a mod on some subreddits. Cool. Okay, so print quantity on int num to give. Yeah. Num digits. I guess it could be 3. You could have like a fuck ton of Apricorns, I suppose. I'll need to test. I'll need to test that, won't I? Huh. Okay. Well, let's just put 3 for now. 3. Num to give. Don't print money. Bag menu print. We don't need that. What do you do? I want the definition of this, please. Give me definition. There we are. Okay. So window ID, font ID 0, left position, 4, fine, whatever. Top 10 best Pokemon games. Number 15, Burger King foot lettuce. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Don't fucking ask me. Text speed FF. And then the string to print would be this one here. And then this S font color. Wait. What was H? What was H? Is the last one, so it's 1. So what do you guys have as? Okay, 0, 2, 3. Just take that. Take that. Slap it in there. And then run. Of course, I didn't actually call this from anywhere. Fucking okay. Okay, so when you first do the thing in Crystal, you do that and it's like 01, and then you can't go up or down because it will fucking not like that. So we start it at 1. The window ID, let's do that. U8 window ID. Oh wait, no, we should store that in the task, I guess. Yes. Yes. Okay. Let's do define T quantity window as data 0. And of course, undef T quantity when. Okay, so then G tasks task ID dot T quantity window equals that. So then it'll be this. Well, yeah, it's fine. I closed it. Did I close it? I did not. I don't know what happened. Don't fucking ask me. I'm just a stupid fucking bitch. It's weird to say that. It's really weird to say that. Disparaging things like that. Okay, that didn't work at all. Also, because I don't... How did this build? Shouldn't have built. Shouldn't have done anything correctly, because of course, why would it do that correctly? Because I didn't actually put a forward declaration. So how the hell did it build? I don't understand. I don't understand. Run this now, please. Okay. Nope. Still didn't work. Oh shit. My bad. Hopefully that wasn't too shitty of the microphone thing to do. Yes. Right. So we called this with the window ID, bag menu, add window. What does you do? Schedule BG copy tile map to VRAM. Ah, yes. Okay. So add window if not present should probably be calling that. Well, wait, it does. Wait, what? So are we not? Draw standard frame with custom tile and palette. That's the add window. That's weird. Well, I guess time to debug that. Sure. View tiles. Don't fit the window. I wish it wouldn't reset that option, but it does. It doesn't print this anywhere. Base block is 242. That doesn't seem right. View tiles. Fuck, I wish this saved. 240. Okay, so this is 0. 1024 is 0, so hex 242 is 578 plus 1024, which is 640. No, 1602. Right. Wait, so it just didn't do that. Just didn't. So it's not, tiles aren't even getting copied up there, but this is working. This part is working. So the tiles aren't getting copied into the tile space for the window. Is that what's going on? Print quantity. Okay, print item sold amount. Well, that should do all of the stuff it needs to do, right? Bag menu, print money amount. I mean, something is up here. Bag menu, add window. What are you doing? That I'm not doing. What do you know? Bag menu, add window. Just jumps directly to yawning. Yes. Huh. I'm not really sure what's up here. Does it somehow what? Clear window tile map. Put window tile. But the tile map is already being put. So what the hell is going on here? If anybody sees anything, please let me know, because I am confused. Passing in the window ID here. T quantity win quantity. Add window. Obviously it's gonna add the window because, you know. Oh, wait. Why am I saving that? That doesn't need to be saved anywhere. I'm already having a place. I already have a place to save it to. You might need to schedule a BG copy to VRAM. I am, though. I did that, which is why it's confusing. Or maybe I did it too early. I don't know. But anyway, this actually, no, the add window if not present saves it to that, right? Okay. Okay, but frankly, if I don't need to save it, but I may as well hold on to it, you know. Window ID, pop it right there. Maybe I'm missing something from here. Okay, so this just adds text printer parameterized for, which we already know. Confirm toss, actually toss. Yeah, see, here's the weird thing. Like, it does this, but then it doesn't do any sort of, it doesn't do any sort of BG copy to VRAM. So how is this menu doing it? Well, actually, this should probably be done with choose. I may need to toss rather than that. Okay. So, wait, what is create yes, no menu bottom right? No, that just does that. Quantity to toss or deposit. VRAM Victini random access memory. Ha! No. Video RAM. You big dummy. You big galoot. But that's really weird. Why is this not working? If I'm doing the same kind of shit on both ends. So yeah, bag menu, add window is scheduling that copy. But then like print doesn't do that. Update quantity to toss or deposit just does a bag menu print. And that just does a text printer. What the fuck? Okay, but so I feel like something else has to be what's wrong here then, right? Okay, let's say well, even if, okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and like pop that there. If this works, I don't know. Be interested to see why. Because I really shouldn't, I shouldn't have to put that there. I really shouldn't. Yeah. Yeah, I didn't think so. So what is going on? When quantity is 1, of course. Window ID will be something else. Do you have a excuse me, copy window to VRAM WinID 3 somewhere. Good question. I don't have any instances of that anywhere in the code, actually. Okay, so I think it's gonna have to do with one of these. But the thing is, though, I shouldn't. My question is, why do I have to manually call that if they're not? You know? Using that. Oh, stop beeping! What are you beeping at me for? Like, I honestly don't know what is causing the beeps. Is it high CPU usage? High CPU temperature? I don't know. I really don't know. Window to VRAM. Using battle. So you see, like, it's not really used in here, which is kind of what I expected. But is there this one anyway? No. Is there this one? No. Because why would there be? They're both BG0. Both palette number 15. So why? Oh, why is this not working? See, like the tile map updates. The tile map updates just fine. Here you can see the tile map has updated. But all the fucking tiles are blank. So why is that happening? I don't know, if I set this to like 100, what the fuck is gonna happen there? Maybe 242 is like a space that just can't be printed to on the overworld. I'm not sure. No. No. Okay. I think I'm gonna have to actually like properly debug this for this to work. Fuck. Or I could just slap this in here, but I want to understand why, you know? I don't want to just put this in here without understanding why I'm putting it in here, you know? I'd say try putting a call to that at the bottom of your spinner in it just to see, maybe. Okay. That worked. But what am I doing wrong that these guys get to not call that for? You know? I don't understand why it would need to do that if they don't need to do that. Just quantity according to D-pad input. Do you print at all? No. You're not even in this file. Okay. Let's just... Oh, wait. Wait. Hold on. I think I have an idea. Let's see if this fucking works. Dakota Spaghetti, it's probably called at some point, usually. Yeah. I just want to make mine less spaghetti, you know. Apricorn menu, not test, change quantity to give, fuck, why not? And then we will do G tasks, task ID dot func. We'll just pop you in here, even though you don't do anything yet. It might have just been fucking up because it was initializing it like multiple times. Maybe. I don't know. I really don't know, man. Let's run that. No, that wasn't it. So let's go ahead and do this here. Copy this. Adjust quantity according to D-pad input as part of menu helpers. Yeah. And then we want to actually get maybe data 0? Data 0? Maybe. Yeah, let's do that. G tasks. Task ID. Dot T item count equals 1. Define T item count as data 0. Undef T item count. Probably look down here. And okay, yeah, we'll go ahead and just do what they do here. I like this this method of doing where they just put a 16 pointer data at start, and then you can just do T item count there, which is just nice. Okay, so what are your actual arguments? Why the hell do you just have arg1 and arg0? Val before. Huh? Val before equals what's currently at arg0. Okay, so is that the current value? And then arg1 is the max? I think that's that. T atom count, and then data 2 is the max, which is, I mean, process input. Okay, where do we have the okay, default? We don't actually save that anywhere. We don't actually save which one I got. It's shit. So task ID, and we'll just say which, well, we'll just say ID, and then we'll call that here. Wait, is that, fuck. Is that how they do it? I don't know. Let's do just S32. Which Apricorn, and then item ID. Okay, and then quantity. Okay. Current index dot item ID equals that. And the quantity equals that. Well, I guess we'll see where data 2 is called from. What the hell is data 2 set up? Fuck. Yeah, okay, there we go. Bag get quantity by pocket position. Right. So, I mean, I could just do count total item quantity in bag again. But why? Is there any way to get the actual, like, index? Cursor position, maybe? Maybe. This might actually be what I need. Quantity box, switch Apricorn, we'll just do that. And then, I guess we'll set up T max count as data 1. T max count. T max count. And then, oh no, I should probably just do this again. See, it makes things so much cleaner when I do. T item count and then T max count is, oh wait. I also need to store which fucking Apricorn we're looking at. Shit. What's the Apricorn index? So let's just do, instead of T max count, we'll do T Apricorn index. Data 1. I'll just say T Apricorn index equals which Apricorn. So then we have that stored in data 1. And then we'll go ahead and put S Apricorn menu arrow Apricorns dot, wait, Apricorns bracket that dot quantity. Alright, so just put that in a thing here. U8 total in bag equals that. It's U16. Sure. And then we'll put that there, and then we'll put that there. Wait. What? I don't need that. We want to just do print quantity again with the window ID, which is this Apricorn menu arrow window IDs bracket win quantity, comma T item count. Run that. And it breaks because of course. Init quantity box was, oh, right, I changed the definition. Silly me, I forgot that things are like that and they need to be done in a certain way. Of course. Man, chat is dead today. It's useful if you actually make it fucking print, but it doesn't. Okay, let's do copy window to VRAM, window ID 3, just for shits and giggles. If this actually updates with the scroll, then I will be happy. It's not even updating anything, not even doing like little beep 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 sound, you know, so that's concerning. Oh duh, because 1 doesn't have enough to actually scroll with. I'm a big fucking silly dummy head and all that good shit. Okay, white Apricorn. No, why are you muted? Why are you so loud? you up, bitch. How'd you set up like that? What happened to you? I trusted you. Oh. Oh, it works. I'm tracing the code, and it looks like they use a different code path in the bag menu to do the same copy to VRAM that copy window to VRAM does, because Game Freak, am I right? Are you serious? That's so stupid. In that case, then I'll just plop that in there. But I don't think I need 3. Do I? BG tile map buffer to VRAM, load BG tiles. Okay, I might actually. Oh, let's get away with. Let's see if I can get away with just 2. Right. I need to actually have more than 1 in my bag in order to test this better. Hey! 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 Look at that shit. Let's do a right align instead of leading zeros, because I don't really think that leading zeros makes sense here. But then again, the crystal did that too, so I don't know. What do you guys think? Leading zeros or no leading zeros? Like if I toss this, then it'll do, yeah. Okay, fine. No, leading zeros are fine. We'll leave them in. Wait, I just noticed something. Why does it have 3 there? Let's see if I can figure out what that is. Oh, you also have 3 digits here. Okay, I guess I did that one. Just don't remember right now. Awesome. Okay. We should also have him say the line, Bart. I'm like, I can only speak in memes. But we have you display my item message on field. I'm not sure what it uses the task here for again. Except that it will. Come on. It will save that. Or no, it won't. It'll just. Okay, we're just creating a task there. Gotcha. Okay. And then it'll switch to init Apricorn menu after that task is done. So we'll do something similar here, where we'll give it our current task ID, gtext, and then we'll actually do that. Apricorn menu change quantity to give. Switch this here. Then we'll do crystal.gbc. Okay, for some reason it thinks that every single GBA file is quote unquote unavailable. I don't know what that's about. How many should I make? How many should I make? Well, it's not. He's not saying like how many should I make so much as just how many should I use. How many do you want me to make? Yeah, I don't know. How many should? Just that's probably fine. How many Apricorns? And then we'll go here. Give you and I hit like 3 different buttons that weren't Control-Shift-R, and it's okay. It's fucking okay. Doop. Hey. So it shouldn't do that there. I put it in the wrong place. So actually, let's put it there. Move quantity. Fuck. No. Well, I don't want to... He should say it, and then it should come up at the very end of whatever he says. So let's do a new one. Apricorn menu. Kurt asks... Shit. Quantity. And then that. Okay, and then you will do init quantity box. But of course, Kurt asks quantity is this. We should then jump to... Wait, no. Shit. This goes here. Fucking, I fucked this up a lot. That goes there. This does that. This only has task ID. This will go here. You can just go here. Yep, and then we'll use you, just do T item count. T item count. Ah, and then of course I have to do that. You don't have to go in their middle. I don't know why I'm putting you in the middle there. Kurt asks quantity. Can also do remove the scroll indicator. That should probably still stay up there. T item count, we'll do that. Too many arguments in function call. Right. And then you'll do that. And then you'll actually change the function yourself. G tasks task ID dot func. Basically, this is just a poor man's state machine. But it won't immediately take over from this task, will it? And you keep this shit open. Shut fucking hell. Okay. So yeah, you don't... Well, no, you do. You do take over right afterwards. Gotcha. Okay, so display item message on field is going to do this setup here. Or ask quantity is that. And then add window, prints the quantity. There we go. That should work. Of course it doesn't, because I forgot to do the thing that it needs to do me for. Yes. Run that. There is a method to my madness. Hey, look at that. Look at that. Do you see that? You hit that. How many should I make? Bam! Awesome. Okay, and then we can do boop, 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 boop. And then, of course, that will actually give us the ability to choose that in a second. Oh, but the cursor should change, right? Because the bag does that. Bag does that. I don't know if... Do most multi-choices do that? Well, most multi-choices don't stay open. I don't know. I like this. I feel like it needs a little something, but honestly, it's like it's okay as is for now. So whatever. Quantity box, change quantity to give, and then it'll print quantity. And then, of course, oh shit, no. Item menu, yes. And then we'll do that, and then these two as well. So do that, and press A button, select, we clear. Wait, so this Kurt can make you multiple balls? Yeah, actually, Kurt and Crystal can, and there's actually an in-universe explanation for it, which is that his granddaughter is helping him, actually. I didn't realize that that was the in-universe explanation until then. Until I found I was working on this, and I was like, oh, that must be why he can do that now. So clear window tile map. We're going to go ahead and clear the quantity window. Well, actually, clear window tile, that would all be handled by remove window if present. Yeah, clear window, that would do all that. So when quantity clear window, yeah, we don't need all these anymore. Bam. Does remove window if present do a BG copy? Yeah. And then we want to destroy the scroll arrow pair, which, where is this? That would be remove scroll indicator there. And then we will do some sort of actual removal of items. However, if we do B, then we will still remove window if present. Don't think we have to put the window tile map though. Since the tile map, the other window just hasn't closed. Bag menu, print cursor. No. Set callback 3 to no. Well, comment that. Core menu, remove scroll indicator, and then let's actually do add main scroll indicator. You do that. In an Apricorn menu could be split then. Refresh list menu init. Well, the list menu is already initialized. Refresh list menu does all this stuff. Well, that's not needed. But the process input does that. So the list menu is still going on. We just need to switch the task and re-add the main scroll indicator to it. Okay, well, we can just do a new function for that. Turn to main. Whoops. Add main scroll indicator, and then we'll do that. Bam. Of course, we'll have to do a forward declaration, of course, because why the fuck not? Yep. Gmain. Did I really not include main.c or main.h this whole time? I haven't been using main. Interesting. Okay, return to main. We'll do add main scroll indicator. And then the text box at the bottom will need to be redone, right? Where he says, yeah, this part. We don't need to reinitialize it, so we just need to do up. Cool, and then I'll take over and we'll do all the good shit. Yes. So we should be able to now go back from that. Wait. Why is that not making a sound? Did I not? Let's menu process input. Where are you? There we are. Yeah, shouldn't that play its own sound effect by itself? But from list menu process input, maybe not. Or is that handled by the scroll function for some reason? Bag menu, move, cursor, callback. Well, it plays something, but it's not what I thought it was. Bag menu, move, cursor, callback. Oh, do we have any such callback for you? Move cursor func is null. Yeah. We'll add you. We'll give you something to do. There. And then we'll call that move cursor, because of course. And we'll place you down near the print function. This is probably like overkill just for making a single little beep, but and also don't shake bag visual. Yeah, I don't know if that's actually needed. Yeah, there you go. But is that how this does it? Do you also have a... Process input here. Mailbox process input. Item storage process input, yeah. Is that how these do it? Yeah, there you go. It does it too. I mean, I don't know if I have any other reason to do that, but I mean, it's one of those fucking whatever. Ah. Okay, so it has to print the whole message for him to unlock your cursor again, which doesn't feel so good. Maybe instead of doing that, display item message on field. Maybe we do... Right. Just to fucking add the text printer. Yeah, if we add the text printer ourselves, then... Or, wait... Okay, they're calling it themselves. Ah, here, look at that, look at that. We're doing it they're doing it themselves. Ergo, we just have to copy that. I'm pretty sure that's how vanilla does it. You could instant print perhaps. Yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to instant print. I don't like to wait, dang it. I'm a millennial. I don't know what that was. Window ID. Wait, am I even on the right one? I'm not. I'm not. I should be on this one. So we'll do Apricorn menu, window IDs, wait, that's not one of our windows. Oh shit. Huh. Should we have saved that somewhere? No, they just add the item message window there. Oh no, they just assume 0. Huh. Honestly, I don't know why I didn't just copy this. Just use that for the base for mine. That get player text speed delay string callback. Oh fuck, I put that in the... What the hell am I... Is that an item menu? Shit. I am pretty tired, to be fair, but Jesus. Okay, so we'll just copy these from here. Put those there. Shlamma-bamma ding-a-dang. Run this. Hopefully it won't say that those are undefined. And it doesn't. Okay. That's not right. Oh, I left that in, of course. Now, I can't remember the difference between text speed 0 and text speed FF. They're both instant, but I don't know. Text speed 0 did something different than text speed FF. I can't remember the difference right now. Well, let's check the fucking text printer commands. Add text printer. Yeah, it doesn't exist in menu. Why would it? Text.c. And speed. I checked for that here, but that's not relevant right now. Okay, if text speed is not FF, then it will copy the window to VRAM itself. I think text speed 0 prints as much as a frame can handle, which is not the whole line, while FF always prints the whole message. Prints as much as a frame can handle. I don't know. Which is not always the whole line. I'm not quite sure what you mean by that. I guess we'll check. Okay. actually don't know the difference right now between text speed 0 and text speed FF. Text speed FF I know is used for like normal menu printing things. Now which app? What? What? Now which ape? Huh. What? One of them just cuts off halfway, but why would it do that? Oh, 100% APR. Financing my level balls. Okay, is there any instance of this being called with like a regular fucking speed delay as opposed to just the player text speed delay? No, I'm the only one? Gotcha. Okay, well, print 0, why not? Oh, Jesus. Huh. 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 Wait, what? Wait, why? What? The only difference I can really see is that text speed FF copies the window to VRAM? Is that really the only difference, that this handles the copy the window to VRAM part and this doesn't? But how would that... Oh, I think I see what's going on here, kind of, maybe, possibly. Okay. So FF is when you want to manage yourself when it gets printed to the, or when it gets copied to the screen. 0 is when you want it to handle that. So the reason it's printing only a little bit before it gives up, it just seems to be at whatever random ass point copy window to VRAM gets called in that window. Let me test the hypothesis now. With main menu process input, just fucking no reason at all. We're just gonna copy that in there. That's also just not the right way to do that at all. Fuck. Apricorn menu Windows bracket win. Fuck, that's not right at all. It's still just 0. I always write the whole thing out and it's like, wait, I don't need to do that. Fuck. Boop, boop. Hey, look at that. You see it like, but that's interesting though, because you still see that kind of flash there. Now, which Apricorn do you want to use? How very interesting. How the hell is this a... Wait, no, but how is this a race condition? How does that even make sense? GBA can't have race conditions. Well, no, it can with interrupts. But what? Oh, that's what it is. It is. Oh my god. Okay, I get it. I get it. It's a race condition with the call to copy the background to VRAM. Because that will presumably use like DMA or something. And that would trigger an interrupt to happen at some certain time. So the DMA would fire and it might not be done with this printing bit right here. That's what it is. Huh. Okay, that makes sense then. All right. Well, now that we've made sense of it, I can actually use 0 without freaking out the fuck of whatever, and not understanding what the fuck is going on. Yeah, I always forget that the GBA can in fact have race conditions because interrupts exist. Like, oh, this GBA is not multi-threaded, it's not multiple cores at GBA. You can't have race conditions. You can't have data accesses from more than one location at a time. That's crazy. No, that's... There totally are race conditions on GBA, fuck. Beautiful. Okay, so after that fucking mess of a thing, we can actually go to do the actual giving of the Apricorn to Mr. Kurtman. Give Apricorns to Kurt. Task ID. Copy this, please. Thank you. Ah, fuck, I copied that again. Fuck. Okay, there. U8, task ID. Yes, do that. Okay, and then we're doing that. But that's obviously not going to be right. We need to... T item count is 1. T Apricorn index is which Apricorn? Okay. Yeah. T item count. Ah, that's what I did. I forgot to do that. Ah, no. Trust me, guys. I'm a professional programmer. I do the work for the companies. So we're gonna do that. T Apricorn index, and of course T item count. And of course, to tie that all together, we will do that. Yes. Okay, and then we'll do that. We'll set those up. And then exit. Which would do remove that, destroy that, remove all windows, enable both script contexts, and destroy task. Okay, that... Of course, forward declarations are going to be the end of me. Oh, fuck, duh, of course. Silly fucking... Apricorn menu, arrow, Oh, welcome, Dingpot. I thought you weren't gonna be here today. And I was like, where the hell is Dingpot? Dot, don't know why the hell I can't peek the definition of this. IntelliSense, what's up? Why are you always updating, man? You can't update forever. But you still do anyway. Of course, I should probably verify that T item count is not greater than the actual count in the bag. Right. If... Oh, I don't know, actually, I don't... It's... Yeah. Okay, so... Well... Yeah, whatever. Right, let's just call it a U8. U8 item count equals T item count. If item count is greater than this dot quantity. VS Code C++ extension is plugin is utter crap. It crashed the extension host for me basically daily. Yeah, it hasn't really crashed for me per se, but it just takes ages. I think our project is just such a fucking mess. We need to give it more. We need to give the processor more hints or something. I'm not sure. If it is greater than the quantity that are in the bag, then we will set it to the quantity that's in the bag. And of course, we actually need to, you know, remove the items from the player's person. Okay. Source items bag item menu. Maybe let's just see. Let's just follow what toss does. Bag menu toss items, which does that. Copy item name, do that, do that, do that. Bag menu, yes, no toss functions. Confirm toss. Copy, do that, do that, do that. Actually toss. Remove bag item. There we go. Can we call that from here, or do we need to include a header? Item.h, do we include item.h? No, we don't. Should have known that item.h exists. And then we're gonna go and do this. Actually, this to U8. Or item ID. The extension slowing way down is usually signs about to crash for me, huh? I had a nightmare that you changed Pokemon CrystalDust to Pokemon Pond Crystal. Pokemon Push Crystal. Man, what does it say about me that you guys are having nightmares about my game? Frankly, it worries me. Actually, I think I could just combine these all into one thing here. T item count is greater than this. If so, then this. Otherwise, T item count. Lots of lulls in the chat. Okay, do that. Take a data, make you a ball, come back for it later. Do that. And now he's working. Don't bother him. Sensors, let's increase to tomorrow. Ah, I just finished your ball. Obtain the... Did it turn out great, though, Kurt? Did this really turn out that great? I don't think it turned out that great, Kurt. Okay. What am I doing here? What am I doing wrong? Item ID is red Apricorn plus I. Well, you see, that's what I thought. So... T Apricorn index is set as the witch Apricorn, which is set as the Cuirass Corny, which is set as the cursor position. Missing no item. Hat on hat action. Oh, that's great. It's Wade with a fucking sombrero on top of his existing hat. Beautiful. Item 0. I don't think it's item 0. I think it's just like some... Oh, item ID can't be U8. Ha 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 ha. Yeah, you're right. I forgot. I got mixed up between item IDs and like the Apricorn index. My bad. Thank you, Tustin. Right? Oh, whoops. Leave the house. Sensors. Make it tomorrow. No. That wasn't it. I also noticed another bug while I was walking out there, that the Apricorn didn't respawn when it should have. I'll fix that later though. Okay. Well, I think we can just debug this. Rather than guess and check, let's just fucking run it and debug in the debugger. What? What do you mean? Debug anyway. Are you gonna... Yes. There we go. So data is optimized out. The fuck are you talking about data is optimized out? Task ID is for... Okay. Remove, add, G tasks, task ID. There we go. Data. So T item count is the zeroth item. Yeah, 0. T item count is 0. OMG, I wasn't aware I wasn't aware MGBA allowed debugging of the active ROM. That's awesome. I may have to start using that. Yeah, it's a little iffy to get it to work, but when it does, it works. Okay, and then T Apricorn index is 0, which makes sense. Okay, so then we go boop, boop, boop. Item ID is item 382. Has there been any updates to MGBA? MGBA is getting updated pretty frequently. It's actually under active development. Items.h, constants version. So Item ID 382 maps to the white apricorn. Look at that. Okay, so then it's not this that's having the issue, is it? It's my script. Player, I just finished your ball. Here. Result. Copy var Kurt given apricorn. Add var result. Item level ball. I meant to use the index here and I didn't. Whoops. So it's probably already past version 8.1. I'm using 0.9, some development version. I don't know. So that's just it. Okay. So item ID shouldn't be the item. It should be the apricorn index. Minus item red apricorn. Oh, but if item ID is 0, then it won't think we gave him anything. Right? Well, hold up. I think I can actually have that work out right. Hold on. Why not just use the item ID? Because then I would have to subtract and then add, and then I could just, or I could just add 7, I guess, but blech. I don't know. I never really know what's the best way to do things, you know. Let's just add apricorn count to that, I guess. Yeah. And then it should work because I've mapped them 1 to 1 like that. And then here, go back here, and then we'll fucking stop debugging out here. We'll just use the item ID here. It's fine. Do you actually use item to apricorn anywhere? No. Yeah, let's get rid of this idea of apricorn IDs altogether. I don't know why I was complicating things with that. Oh, man. Why not just use the item ID anywhere? It's not like you say so, subtracting the apricorn. What are you buzzing at me for? What, is it because of my 100% CPU usage? Is that it? Why are you... You never used to care about that. What? Why? Why are you buzzing at me, computer? Oh, hey, it finished compiling. It finished compiling, so it stopped buzzing. Okay, just to make sure, I'm gonna also check that this has been removed from my bag, and it has. Are you in a toxic relationship with a computer? It's abusive. I want crystal buzz. Jeez. Okay. Do it tomorrow. Go back to here. Hey! 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 I don't know why I went the long way, but yeah, now I have 3 because I gave myself 1 of each before. All right. I noticed a comment in the script about local labels. It looks like those are in Pori script. You put the scope in parentheses after the word script. Huh? Did he add local scope to it? Oh, no, you're talking about... Oh, no, I think you're talking about, like, global versus local. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about the ability to put, like, some label there and then just be able to jump right to that. That's what I mean. That's what I'm waiting for. And every time I bring it up to Shandy, he's like, no. I don't know why. Seems like it would be helpful, especially to me. considering most of the scripts in the game, you take advantage of that. I don't know. I feel like it should be added. Maybe I should go in and add it myself, but I don't know what the hell kind of fucking programming language he did. Okay. So, now that works... So, see, this is weird. I don't know why this hasn't regrown properly. It hit 11, it should have regrown already. Oh, look, there it is. The fuck? Huh? Is it because of some RTC polling optimization I did? It's pretty likely, honestly. Okay. Let's see if I can figure out what kind of fucking RTC polling optimization I did that would cause that. All right, let's debug this as opposed to just blindly going in there, you know. Debugging, yes. Why are you trying to show errors? Unknown register name R4. Really? Because you don't have an ARM mode? Is that really what you're doing to me? Show errors. It still thinks it's an error. Alright. Alright, you know what? Fuck you. That's what I say. The things I don't like. Like that error. Fuck you, error. Stop buzzing! So I'm gonna go ahead and figure out RTC calc local time. So what? Literally every single time my CPU usage gets above like 90, it keeps doing that. I don't know why. So I'm gonna break. Well, that's what I thought would happen. That it keeps getting calculated here. Oh yeah, it does not like it when you remove a breakpoint. That's one of the issues with this. Change thermal paste. I actually did change the thermal paste, funnily enough, because I just moved my whole computer into a different case, and I was like, why not change the thermal paste while I'm at it? Okay, yeah, RTC calc local time. That's expected. Yep. Yep. That's not expected. Yeah, okay. The MGBA thing is unstable, shall we say? Oh. Bye, Tustin. Oh, shit, it's actually, like, way over time for my break. I should do that. Hopefully it won't buzz in the meantime, but you guys won't be able to hear that anyway, so. Let's get this fucking break started with some music by some people. Yes, yes. And I am back. Welcome back to me. Yes, hi, hello, I am here. So, oh, that song kicks ass. Cool. I don't even actually, I've never heard that song before. It just came on, it was just the next song in the radio, I guess, after, the song I played at the beginning. It's called No Stranger by Small Black. So there you go. Yeah, I enjoyed it. Okay, so what is going on then? We are not updating something. We are calling RTC update, but we're not calling Apricorn update? Or fruit tree update, rather. Fruittree.c. Set fruit tree metatile taken from ID. Wait. Should be set fruit tree metatiles, right? Update per day. Welcome back. Thank you. Okay, so this updates things every day. Also, what is the redraw metatail should be? Okay. Init map from saved game. Connected map stuff. Okay. So it's not doing the update per day because do time-based events isn't being called. Do time-based events is only called in certain instances. Run time-based event. Okay. So it happens whenever we reach hex 1000 V blanks. So every 4096 frames, or approximately 68 seconds, it will run that. Which is, I guess, their way of optimizing it. But T-force time update. Force time-based events. I wrote that. For miscellaneous events that should run on time of day boundaries. Right. Process immediate time events. Okay. So we actually, I'm actually gonna go ahead and update this to something else. We will force time-based events if today is a new day from yesterday. This is like an emulator only problem, but I still want to fix it, you know, just so people have a good experience if they want to fucking mess around with the clock and shit. Okay. So we're gonna have s old hour, but we're also gonna have s old day. Geolocal time hours. Nice. Do struct time. No, but I want the definition of the struct. Here we are. So S16. So we're gonna have an S16. Oh, whoops. Flip those around. Okay. So if hour is not s old hour, okay. So if s old day, actually g local time dot days is not equal to s old day, we will force time-based events. Okay. Yeah, everything else is just related to tinting. This is actually my master hour thing and such. Yes. Okay. Okay. So if we do this and then boop. Hey, look at that! Look at that! Hell yeah! Fucking decomp queen. Or actually, I embarrassingly forgot to actually set it. So I'm not sure how it worked. So what happens when you go back in time? Well, it'll force time-based events again, and then it'll check to see if it's already run on that day, in which case it shouldn't update, if I'm not mistaken. Well, I can test that now, though. It should do that, though, I think. I'm not quite sure how Emerald processes, like, day-dependent stuff like that. Start time. Yeah, see if we go yesterday, we can't, it won't work. The moment we do tomorrow, though, it also doesn't work. Great, I fucked it. Shit. Fuck. Wait, so what the fuck is... Wait, what the fuck? Oh, wait, this is in process immediate... What does that get called? In the overworld basic loop. Because that makes sense. Breakpoint. Let's actually see what the fuck is happening here. Actually, no, let's remove this breakpoint or add that breakpoint. And it's gonna probably crash because it does not like removing breakpoints. I'm amazed. Yeah, so S old day is 0, G local time days is 211. So it should do that. Update that, force time-based events. Cool. And then it'll do that. Days, old day. And it should keep doing that. Wait, what? 8,196? Wait, what the fuck? What the fuck? 8,196 is hex 2004. What? Oh wait, I think it glitched up because I removed that breakpoint. That's what happened. That's what ended up happening. Right, so it should just S old day 0 days 211 211 211 81. Wait, no. How the hell did it get 8,196? What the fuck? What? It's the what now? But they're the same data type, right? S old day is S16. That's close to over 9,000. Yes. But what the actual fuck? Is this perhaps overrunning its buffer? Let's check the memory viewer. Let's check where can we find this? Let's check the map. (202.915C). Okay. So if that's the case, and it's full of, well, how big is this? 200 times 2, so hex 400 plus that is A, B, C, D. D15C is 0. Huh? Why is that 0? And why would that be 8,196? What? Let's delete you. Maybe this will help. Right? $202,956C. Huh? 202,956C. Huh? Where the fuck did the map go? $202,956C is assigned to S old day. But that's also assigned to G palette overrides? Why the fuck is it stepping over itself to do this? What the fuck? $202,956C. Also, I was adding 400 to the wrong one. That makes sense then. But why did the hell 955C? Hey, blaze it! But why the fuck is it referencing that memory? I don't get that. Why are they overriding each other? Why would that be happening? Fuck, that's actually really fucking weird. If I remove the static designator, that shouldn't shift 955C because it should still have the same amount of data in RAM. It should just make this visible to everything else that's outside of day-night. Wait, why is it putting... It's putting that after palette overrides? Is it optimizing it for me? Oh. Oh, that's weird. I did not expect that. Okay, so if they're not stepping on each other in that case, then why are we getting 420? Why the fuck are we blazing it? As much as I enjoy blazing it, why are we doing it now? What the actual fuck? Oh, I guess maybe because it's static, it would automatically go after it or something. But why is it getting overwritten with 8,196? It hasn't been 8,196 days since I started the game. It has only been 211, as referenced by this. But then you're setting S old day to G local time days. Wait, what? Huh? What the fuck? Yeah, 0420. That is the right number. That is the right place in RAM. But what the fuck? Is it breaking because of the breakpoint? Is just having the breakpoint there fucking with things? Is that what's going on? Okay, let's just put it at the beginning of process immediate time events. It shouldn't need to do anything else, but it's just going to be a little more annoying to debug. What the fuck? At least I assume that's what's up. Oh, did it reattach instead of launching a new one? Oh. Well, that's not what I meant to do at all. I meant to launch an entirely new instance. Come on, there we go. Ah. Okay, yeah, see, old day is staying at 211. Wonderful. So if I hit this with the... with that, and then rack it up 1. To 11, to 11, to 11, to 11. Because this isn't getting called. That's part of the v blank CB for the field. If should tint overworld. Okay, so it's not getting calculated because I'm in the house. That's what it is. Okay, time to go outside of the house, and then we can test. Yay. Okay. Fuck, I don't... Why am I having so many issues with this? I thought I was the decomp queen. Ah, no, not that. Ah, fuck, it's gonna break there every time now, isn't it? Just because of that. Launch it. Stop it! Thank you. Okay, so here. Yeah, still shouldn't be updated. Okay, great. So if I hit this, it's gonna say as old days 211. Pop that up one. Run one loop. Yeah, okay, and then it's going like hour is 16, and S old hour is also 16. So we're not gonna do that, but we are gonna go down here to why? Okay, well. Oh my, I'm a dumbass, of course. Oh, of course. It's not updating glocal time days because the fast update doesn't update day count. Because it needs to be fast. Duh. I got it, well. Okay, well in that case, S old day isn't going to be able to be calculated correctly because there's no way to tell that a day is passed unless we get the date count from the chip. And we are not. Ergo, this won't work. Okay, well, side diversion aside, that was interesting anyway. I know, at least I now know what's going on with that. Okay, let's launch it. Let's do it. Yes. Yes. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and toss out all of my Apricorn balls I already have. And give myself a bunch of Apricorns. Ah, shit, I forgot. It's still fucking hex. Okay, well, I'm gonna fix that. 'Cause that's been annoying me long enough. Print debug items. No, not that. Add item print status. Convert into decimal string. Thank you. I closed it. And then we run that, and that's not even a function. It is not dec. It is decimal. Okay, that's gonna stop annoying me now, thank God. Oops. I gotta toss these guys again. Let's get myself items first. Add item. Did you make that debug menu? Yes, I did. No, not the balls. Too fucking bad. Alright, so let's give myself... Oh, ha 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 ha! It's still trying to use hex for my limits. I'll fix that. Oh, oh god. Oh no, it's still using hex for that, all that shit. Fuck. Shit. Oh, that's why I was using hex, because this is all gonna be a fucking mess to adjust. Wait, didn't I do a decimal one for these already? Did I not do that? I could have sworn I did that. Was there not a... Did I not use any other decimal string n here? Professor Oak's rating. Yeah, okay, there we are. Okay, I can just reuse his. Which is... that. Ugh, Lord. Well... paste that in there. And then of course we have to adjust our limits, which is items count. T item num equals temp, not T dex count. And then that. Okay. Wait, if items can... What did I overwrite there? Ah, temp is less than or equal to. Okay, there we go. Fixed it. Error, temp 2 undeclared. No, not my temp 2. U32 temp 2 shifter. Fucking powers of 10. Oh, they have powers of 10 here as well, which is actually I think where I got it from. Break that out to the whole file. I can just do that. Temp 2 shifter. Have confidence in my old work, and probably shouldn't have. Let's pop that there instead. Shit, this reminded me of doing a full cleanup and proper folders for my Zelda Redux hack. Redo. How do you pronounce R-E-D-U-X? Is it redo, redux, red? Redux. Ducks, okay. I'll believe you guys. I've been told other things in the past. Hey, look at that. All right, and now we can get to this. So 8, 7, 3, and then count. Let's give me one of each. And that should have me with 3 of those, one of each of the other ones. We save. Look at that. Look at this! Look at this menu! Of course, I am limiting that incorrectly, I think. Redux is of Latin origin, so it does pronounce the X at the end. Yeah, it's taking the limiter from the wrong index, but that's easy enough to fix. Okay. T item count. Total in bag is T Apricorn index quantity. Which Apricorn? Kurt asks quantity. Cursor position. Wait. How am I populating the Apricorns field? Starting from 0, that would make sense. That's one gorgeous menu. What the fuck though? And then that should be working. Why is it taking the limiter from the other thing? Total in bag is T Apricorn index dot quantity. T Apricorn index is which Apricorn. Kurt asks quantity, takes it from the cursor position. The cursor position should be the index. So enable those Game Shark codes for infinite Apricorns. Haha. Man. I'm about to make my Discord a croissant. Dingpot, your spelling never ceases to amaze me. Unless that's an actual thing. But I think you meant to write croissant. Okay, well, I don't know why this is not being correct here. Okay, so this should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You meant to write crawdon. I would believe it. Let's run with the debugger. Ah, right. Nah, I want to fix that first. Remove you. Remove you. F5. Yeah, I hope you realize that I mean no ill will towards you, Dingpot. It's just always funny. Your misspellings crack me up. And if me pointing that out is if you don't find that to be funny, then I'll stop. Just let me know. Okay. So ID should be 0, which it is. Then we go here, we remove the scroll indicator, we step into here. And then which Apricorn, T Apricorn index will be set to 0. Then we continue. And I always recall your name as Captain Ding Dong instead of Ding Dong. Oh, that's mean. What is the Apricorn index? Well, that's just data. Fuck off. Okay, fine. I'll make it make sense. Okay. G tasks, task ID, data. Well, task ID is optimized out. Fuck you. G tasks. Why is it optimized? Okay, wait. No, I thought I. Hold up. I thought I specifically made it so that this would be a debug build with debug stuff. Optimization level OG. If debug is enabled. And I am building it with debug. I'm hoping. Yeah, debug is 1. Stop that. Close that. Close this. So many fucking things open. No, stop this too. What are you doing? Computer. Debug 1. Debug 1. Why are you optimizing in debug 1? Jackbox as I name myself Dong Pit. I'm not sure you'd want to call yourself Dong Pit. But you do you, my dude. Wait. Debug. Modern. Okay, no, it's just okay, I see, gotcha. Okay, never mind. That's false alarm. Okay. But if I'm printing with debug symbols, then it should allow me to break and not be optimized like that. GCC compile for GDB. Okay, to request debugging information, specify the -G option when you run the compiler. Many C compilers are unable to handle the -G and -O options together. But using those compilers, you cannot generate optimized executables containing debugging information. GCC supports -G with or without -O, making it possible to debug optimized code. We recommend that you always use -G whenever you compile a program. You may think your program is correct, but there is no sense in pushing your luck. Okay. So what if I do just -G instead of -OG? Well, I mean, that wouldn't have recompiled it because it doesn't. Changing the makefile doesn't fucking recompile it, does it? Doing that is what recompiles it. right? Arm ABIAS. Well, it takes it from O to S, but it doesn't take it from C to fuck. Whoops. I meant to run that in the debugger. It makes some people that stream laugh, at least. Yes, it made me laugh internally. In my heart. Okay. Step into that. Hey, look at that. It works now. I mean, it doesn't... That doesn't work well, but this works. Look at this. They're all not set yet. Which Apricorn is 0, so Apricorn index is 0. So S Apricorn... Oh, fuck. Sorry. S... Apricorn menu. So Apricorns, let's do 0. Item ID 378, quantity 1. 379, quantity 1. Why don't I just look at this? Maybe this is wrong. 379, 380 is green, 381 is... Wait, no, 381 is green, 382 is white, and that's 3. Okay, that's correct then. So, then... Here, we look at T Apricorn index, which is data 0, 1. What? Oh, no, that's item count. Gotcha. That's gonna break, and it does. I always predict when it's gonna break because I instinctively remove a debug breakpoint and it's just like, oh, I don't know what to do about that. Oh, fuck. And it dies. I'm not sure what causes that to happen. Okay, white. So, ID is 4. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. So it should be, yeah, item count 1, item Apricorn index 4. That is correct. Okay. So total in bag is 3. Wait, hold up. What? Wait, but that just wasn't working. You guys saw that, right? Went to white. Hey, the what now? Oh. It's actually the position on the screen that's getting saved and not just the general position. Whoopsies, that would be the issue. Ask quantity, cursor position. Yeah, that makes sense. So let's do items above plus cursor position. Well, that would give us, yeah, that would give us the ID for sure. But it is building without any optimizations anymore, which is nice. Wouldn't expect me to say that, but I do. Look at that. Okay, there we go. That's fixed. Okay, and I'm gonna make it so that if there's only one, he just won't pop that up, so. And maybe I should put like a yes/no box in there. Yeah. Okay, Kurt asks quantity. We go here. And we'll do if which apricorn.quantity is less than or equal to 1, sure. Else display item message on field. Else we do give Apricorns to Kurt, which we'll skip ahead to that. Yeah, okay. Which will do this, give Apricorns to Kurt, Apricorn menu exit, and then it'll do that, and then it'll destroy the task. All in one fell swoop. I don't actually like that, hold on. Run that. Okay, that seems to have worked. So give him a red apricorn. You don't have any more than one, so he won't give a shit. Let's go to tomorrow, the 11th. Level ball. That's what red apricorn does, right? Yeah. Great. Okay, look at that. Okay, so then giving him one works. So there should be maybe a yes-no menu. What do you guys think? I feel like I should probably add a yes-no menu just in case. How many should I make? One. Yeah. I think Heart Gold Soul Silver actually added a yes-no menu, so that makes sense to me too. Okay, cool. So instead of give apricorns to Kurt, so we should do a question here. Okay, and then take all of these and switch them out for those. Literally just two of them. And then we'll pop up. Oh wait, no, that's a perfect instance for what is it called? Display message and continue task. Or not display message and continue task, but the display message on field thing. Yeah. Okay, and then you will just be like, you are something like you want to. Okay, and how many should I make? Confirm apricorns. Well, then there's the problem of plurals. There is an item name handle plurals thing. So you're sure you want me to help me with text? I need some. What could Kurt say here? Okay, before we do that, let's go ahead and test. Okay, so str var 1 str 2. That'll just be like, it'll just say it exactly. So confirm Apricorns. Actually, that should be there. You're giving me X, Y Apricorns? Are you sure about that? Yeah, something like that would be good. Okay, we'll just say T item count equals that, and then T Apricorn T item ID equals this. Ah. 0, 1, 2. So in confirm give Apricorns, we'll do T item count, we'll fix that up, and T item ID, we will just do that. And then down here, we can literally just do T item ID and T item count. Bam. Okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and buffer those to the screen, or to the text buffers. Yes, that one. Copy item name. Here we go. Hey, look at this. This will pretty much do exactly what I want already. Confirm Apricorns, and then we'll point you at G-string var4. You will be T item ID. You will be T item count, which is already here. String conversion mode left line with we don't want any alignment. We just want it to do 0. Yeah, I figured it wouldn't have that. Okay. So let's check copy item name. You're giving me strvar1, strvar2, and then that'll we'll determine the whether we need a 3 or an S or not. Something like that. Sure. Of course, now we need to go into strings.h, but you guys already know this whole fucking song and dance, goddammit. Hey, can I ask you some questions about programming? Yeah, what's up? I have not seen you around before. Bobby, welcome to the stream. Okay, let's run that. Okay. You're giving me red Apricorn to use? Well then, we'll go ahead and... T item count. Well, why does it not done what I wanted it to do? First, yeah, that should be flipped. But yeah, what's up, Bobby? Are there still a lot of jobs in technology and engineering, and will AI take over the STEM jobs? There are still a lot of jobs in tech. Tech companies are fucking hungry for new talent. Engineering, I have no idea about because I'm not an engineer. You want me to use something Apricorn? Why does it have a blink? Is it really because of 0? But what if I don't want any padding? Is there an option for that? I feel like... Well, I'll put 3 there. And honestly, maybe left align doesn't have padding. I might be wrong about it having padding. How does buffer number do that? Oh, I should look at that. This is one. Yeah, okay. Isn't Kurt going to be overworked if you give him hundreds of Apricorns? Apparently not. In Crystal, you could give him like 99. Put that old man to work. No retirement for him. I mean, he does this because he wants to, and he's only going to take a day to do 100 of them. Don't you have a limit of 99 items? Not if you stack. Not if you split the stacks up into multiple groups of 99. Because you can do that. And I'm kind of wanting to test that. See how that goes. So... Will drag and drop software like Wix or RPG Maker hurt game programmers and web developers? No. Not for the foreseeable future. Just it makes those things make game making, like getting into game making, easy, but then if you want to do anything more robust or complex or interesting, you're going to start to deviate away from those kinds of ready-made makers kind of things. So it won't hurt any of those. Okay, so instead of an init Apricorn menu, it'll be like the yes no menu, but we can deal with that. So copy item name to there. All right, so we're gonna do an if t item count is greater than 1, and then because it's only good for a fast kind of web page, not really for a professional/detailed page. Exactly. So star name equals, or star name plus equals car s. Star name equals end of string. Else. Do this, but you don't do that part. do this, and then string var1, instead of copying over the number 1, we're actually going to do string copy. Why is it string copy, not copy string? I don't get why some of these are copied something and then some of the other ones are something copy. I'm 29. I want to do something in technology. What is the best way to learn? Self-taught, college, or boot camp? Depends on what kind of learner you are. I learned self-taught for the first couple, like for the first maybe decade. No. 8 years. The first 8 years of programming, I was self-taught. Then I went to college. Never did a boot camp. String copy sounds like str copy. Yeah. Self-taught can be hard if you don't have the motivation, though. Yeah, my motivation was I was like 10 and didn't have anything else to do. Is there an age limit for tech? No. Anybody can get into tech. Okay, so we'll do const u8. And will that work with everything? Instead of having to do like a/n. A red apricorn, a blue apricorn, a yellow apricorn, a green apricorn, a white apricorn, a black apricorn, a pink apricorn. So literally just the letter A. I don't even have to do a copy. Let's do u8 star count equals g string var1 star count plus plus equals car a star count equals end of string. The best option I give you, Bobby, is for learning is to try to get into a course or some sort of teaching program of your interest, something that can push you if required without slacking off as if you were to do it self-taught. Yeah. Wait, copy item name doesn't... Really? Why doesn't it do that? That's weird. Last question. Is it possible to start a company like Twitter, Facebook, Google, or Microsoft? Well, then, that's a... I mean, okay. The thing is, those companies started when they were small. Obviously. Like, they started as, like, 1 or 2 people things, and then they became huge. I mean, any company with a good enough... product or good enough pivoting could become that big. So it is, I mean, I think it is possible, but it's obviously very, very hard. You probably wouldn't even want to do that. Like you could probably have like a small company of like maybe 10 employees and be happy, I would say. In any case, I don't know why this is not, I don't know why that doesn't return the result of string copy. It's a little silly to me that it doesn't. In fact, all of these should really return that. Are you in USA? Yes, I am. But some other people in this chat are not. In case you were thinking that would be something that would prevent you from doing this. So let's do, actually, yeah. Instead of all these things return, dst equals that. And then return dst. So copy item name now allows you to put stuff after it. It seems to me so obvious, like why would you not return a pointer to the end of the string so you can do whatever the hell you want with it? Like, there's literally 0 point to not do that. I don't know. Do you watch anime? Let me know if I'm talking too much. I mean, As long as you're not like taking over the conversation. Do you watch anime though? I don't really. I pretty much have stopped watching. I used to watch some anime in high school. I was never really that into it to begin with. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and do this. Give me 3 white apricorns to use. Hell yeah, I am. Give me 1 red apricorn to use. Well, that shouldn't. If it's greater than 1, do that. Else we're supposed to do that. So why isn't it? Is that Pokemon? Yup. I am working on a Pokemon game. Fan Pokemon game, of course. Man, it is crazy to me that we're actually big enough to that random people that don't know what I'm doing are coming in here. It's crazy. Yeah, I am developing a fan game for Pokemon. I'm not just playing. I'm actually working on this menu here right now. So you're giving me 1. Why is it still doing that? Oh, fuck. Duh. I'm still running the fucking int to decimal string conversion. Fucking duh. Okay. You giving me a red apricorn to use? Yeah, look at that. Okay. Let's see. What was... You're giving me XY apricorns. Let's try that. To make into Pokeballs. Actually, just balls. I don't know why Pokeballs. Oof, I swear, every time I hear songs from any game Gen 1 through 3, I get really nostalgic. It's like I can really go back and relive those times when I used to play those games. Me too, honestly. Give me a ready for to make into balls. That doesn't sound right. Ugh. Just leave it as 1 line. New line there, maybe? Maybe that'll look good, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, so then you... So then, okay, so then you'll give me, I don't know, does that sound like what Kurt would say? Something that he would say? I don't know. I'm not great at writing things in character for other people. Ah, player. Who are you, player, eh? You want me to make you some balls? Sorry, that'll have to wait. Do you know who Team Rocket is? Ah, don't worry, I'll tell you anyhow. Okay, maybe I can kind of get the feeling. Okay, so then... You'll let me use... You'll give me... Maybe just that. And then question mark. Let's see how that goes. A red apricorn? give me a red Apricorn. So you give me 3 white Apricorns. So give me a red Apricorn. Okay. She'll give me a Apricorn to work on. How about that? Let's see if that works. Oh, did Bobby leave? So you'll give me 3 white Apricorns to work on? Give me a red Apricorn to work on? Awesome, okay. I know that it's time, it's 5 p.m., but I want to do this one last thing, which is the yes/no menu. He'll have to start his own Microsoft company. Call it Macro Hard. You know it. Actually, let's call these init confirm. Init confirm give. And that will be called confirm give. Captain Deanpod says wait. What do you want me to wait for? Create yes/no menu with callbacks. What would the mystery gift look like on the menu screen? All the spaces are filled. Are you talking about the main menu? Man, you remind me of Gengar. Well, actually, scrolling was already in it. I just extended it because I made the continue box bigger. But yeah, scrolling was already present for only the Japanese versions because only the Japanese versions had mystery events, but I just adapted that. Okay, so great yes/no menu with callbacks. So task ID, and then what is, let's see what those callbacks look like, huh? Oh, that's not a callback. That's a window. Okay. I don't even need the dummy win template. I don't know why I have it here. So 0, 1, 2, 3. I think they use this one for the yes no. Oh yeah, and then we'll add that there. So win, yes, no. I never seen it. Yeah, I guess you missed that discussion. Did I show it in a stream? I thought I showed it on the Discord. Okay. So that'll do that. That takes the template. Font ID, left, top, tile start, palette, And then the fucking, yes, no funks. Yes, no toss functions. Okay. Pop you up here. Yes, no functions. Oh, they're just tasks as well. Okay, so we got, if you press B, should it go back, should it go back to the, quantity question, or should it go to the, main menu here? Change quantity to give, return to main. So let's say, yeah, let's say the first one does a return to main. You cancel that. But if you didn't, then it proceeds to confirm give. Or no, give Apricorns. Yeah, that one. And, well, bam. Don't know why we'd be using palette 14. Yeah, leave it. Oh no! Incompatible type. Oh, fuck. Well, will this help you out? It will. Type just got friend zoned. Okay, ready, Apricorn? Oh. Ooh, that's an interesting border. Menu. There you are. So underscore create, yes, no menu. So border, draw standard frame with base tile num and palette num. Oh, so it makes its own border out of those. I gotcha. I fucking gotcha. Okay. So if it's gonna do that, then it can't do 100 for sure. Ah, shit. Sorry about that. Got the corona. I don't have the corona. That would be bad. Bless. Thank you. 2x magnification. Do not fit to window. Talk to you. Get all the menus up. Yeah, it tries to write the border somewhere over here, I guess. Let's say 12, 16. Just do 12, 16 minus 10, 24. All right, let's see this menu in action. Oh, well, it's down there a bit. Oh, it doesn't actually write its own border. Okay, I need to give it this border. Okay, 1556. So 1556 minus 1024 is 532. And using palette 15. I thought it wrote its own border. Okay. And then, of course, we need to move the yes-no menu up a bit, which is this one. Let's say tile map top 9. Huh. So should be using like that. Oh, I heard you. Bad machine. Don't beep at me. Oh, look at that! Oh, yeah. Okay. Fuck yeah. Okay. The fucking Apricorn menu is, I mean, basically done, unless I wanted to do something fancy, like add a, like add an image of the item, like to the side or something. But I don't really feel like doing that right now. I instead feel like fucking celebrating. That's just my generic celebration music. Whoa, wait, no. Better one. That should be it. All right, well, that was a productive stream. We are done with the fucking Apricorn menu as far as I can tell. So I'll be like bug testing that over the next week, I suppose. And yeah. Fuck yeah. Next week, it looks like we'll finally be taking on Bugsy's Gym. How's that for fucking anticipation? Arena next stream? Arena? Oh yeah, Final Fantasy VII victory music is what I did. Yeah, I just played the victory music because I finished the menu. That was really it. Awesome. So fucking hype for the gym. Oh wait, it was called the Arena in like other languages, wasn't it? That's what it was. It's called Arena in German. Yeah, the Arn. I saw that in some tiles and I was like, are those barns? No, they're arenas. Okay, then that is it for this week's saga of programming, and I'd like to leave you guys with a word of wisdom. Watch out for fucking murder hornets. See y'all in a week.